So it's the 18th of June, so I thought I'd do a little update video on the work completed so far in the last few weeks on La Maison. And first of all, into the cuisine, and you'll see that the wood burning stove for here is all installed, together with the Balsat stone hearth that I got ordered from Inverness actually. Really pleased with it, excellent. Also, just going into the salon, you'll see that the same Balsat hearth is all installed. Got a bit of tidying up just to do, but that's all ready and all done. And then moving into the garden room, not much done in here, but actually now in the utility room, you'll see that although I've got all my bits and pieces in here, you'll see that we've now got the water heater installed in the utility room that will feed all of the cuisine downstairs in the utility room, which is yet to be plumbed in, but that's all going ahead quite well. And then upstairs, you'll notice that in bedrooms, what we call bedroom 1 and bedroom 3, last week I sanded with an industrial sander the floorboards all down. I'm really pleased with how that's come out. And then this week I've used a glue and wood dust mix in the landing and in bedroom 3 to actually cover up all of the gaps. And then tomorrow I'll be sanding this down and getting it ready for staining grey. Into the bathroom, which we've got all the plumbing working in here, although I did have a little leak under the bath, which was my mistake. So that's all now fixed, and I'll put a tile on there probably tomorrow or at the weekend. And then the other big change this week is up in the loft. First of all, in the loft space, you can see that we've got the big 1,000-litre water tank in there, boiler tank heating, and you can see all of the plumbing here, although the light's not so good. Next week I'll be putting in the connector for the sun tunnel. We've got the VMC, the extractor for the humidity for the downstairs loo and the bedroom, all in there. This is going to be a separate room here and a storage room here, and then all over here, although you won't be able to see this particularly well, I've cleared all of the loft apart from the insulation that I've rolled up, but I've got an open space here, and this is the project for the winter, to insulate all of this and make this plasterboarded and neat and tidy. So yeah, work's gone well.